Imagine you've just discovered a hidden gem of a banking app, Vivid. You've been using it for months, loving the sleek interface and unique features. But then, something unexpected happens. You need a refund. Ever felt like you were on a roller coaster of emotions, going from the excitement of a new financial tool to the frustration of a refund request? Today, we're diving into the world of Vivid refunds. We'll explore common scenarios where you might need a refund, the steps involved in requesting one, and what to expect during the process. Let's start by understanding the most common reasons people seek refunds from Vivid. Incorrect charges. Have you ever found an unexpected charge on your Vivid account that you didn't authorize? Failed transactions. Sometimes, transactions don't go through as planned. Perhaps you tried to buy something online, but the payment was declined. Product or service dissatisfaction. If you're unhappy with a product or service purchased through Vivid, you might be eligible for a refund. Technical issues, glitches, and errors can happen. If you've experienced technical problems that prevented you from using Vivid as intended, a refund might be in order. Steps to request a refund. Now that we've covered the basics, let's get to the heart of the matter: how to request a refund from Vivid. Contact Vivid support. The first step is to reach out to Vivid's customer support team. They're there to assist you and guide you through the refund process. Provide details. Be prepared to provide specific information about the transaction or issue you're facing. This includes the date, amount, and any relevant screenshots or receipts. Explain the reason. Clearly explain why you're requesting a refund. The more details you can provide, the easier it will be for Vivid to process your request. Follow up. If you haven't received a response within a reasonable time frame, don't hesitate to follow up with Vivid support. Once you've submitted your refund request, it's time to wait. The processing time can vary depending on the complexity of the issue and the volume of requests. Here's what you can generally expect. Acknowledgement. Vivid will typically acknowledge your request and provide an estimated processing time. Investigation. The support team will investigate the matter to determine if you're eligible for a refund. Decision. You'll receive a notification with the outcome of your request. If approved, the refund will be processed. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips to keep in mind when requesting a refund from Vivid. Be patient. The refund process can take time. Avoid escalating the situation unnecessarily. Gather evidence. If possible, gather any evidence that supports your claim, such as screenshots or emails. Review terms and conditions. Familiarize yourself with Vivid's terms and conditions to understand your rights as a customer. Requesting a refund from Vivid doesn't have to be a stressful experience. By following these steps and keeping in mind the tips we've discussed, you can increase your chances of a successful outcome. Have you ever needed to request a refund from Vivid? Share your experience in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more financial tips. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.